guys, so today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Morpheme for April. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are going on or coming up. So this month it is Spring Fling, and those are the 4 brushes that we got. So these are them. So the first one is this one here, and that's what it looks like. This is the Morphe R2, and this is the Pro Tapered Powder Brush. So it's for putting on your powder. You can apply blush or contour with it if you would like, or bronzer. I wouldn't really contour with this one, but I would put bronzer on, definitely. And I like the fact that it's the R series, so it's the Rose Gold series, and I absolutely love their Rose Gold brushes. So then the next one is this one here, and this is definitely an angled brush. It's actually quite dense too. So this is the Morphe E47 brush, and that's it there. And this one, so this one here is a small, flat, angled contour brush. So it's for getting into, like, I guess your nose if you wanted that, or like really detailed in here, or if you're contouring like definitely right here. So that is kind of interesting. I don't know, I'm gonna give it a go, but I don't really like such small bristles for contouring, so we'll see. Up next is this one here, and this is obviously another angled brush. And this is the Morphe E11, and this is an eyebrow brush, so that makes sense. I like eyebrow brushes. And it's nice and stiff but soft, so that kind of works out really good for when you're trying to get your eyebrows good and on point. And so the last brush is this one here, and this is the E17, and this is a crease precision brush. So that's for getting really good in when you're kind of getting that crease there and you're doing like the really good crease work. So that is that one. That's nice and floofy here. So that is nice. So that was all 4 of these lovely brushes. Honestly, I'm excited for, well, these ones. I am definitely going to try this one, and I probably will love it, but it's not exactly something that I normally contour like my nose with and stuff, but I'm definitely gonna, like I said, give it a go. So those are what those brushes are this month. I'm excited definitely for the crease brush too. I don't know how many times I have to say this or how many times I will say this. I love crease brushes. I don't think you can have enough blending crease brushes. So great. So those were the 4 brushes that came in April for the Morpheme this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want a video on my favorite Morphe brushes that have come in the Morpheme subscription box over the last, I think it's been a year that I've been getting them, for about a year, yeah. So if you want to see a review on my favorite ones or anything like that, leave me a comment in the comments below and I will get a video out for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!